welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSED, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author, writer of 22 books, university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, if I could mention. And my first book, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSED. On your right, Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSED. In Tagalog, inaanyayahan ko po kayong muli sa ating pag-aaral at pagsasanay sa wikang Tagalog. Ako po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED MSED, na nagsasalita po sa likod ng video na ito. Guro dito po sa Nueva York, Amerika, at profesora ng wikang Ingles at tagapayo ng pamparalang pahayagan at modelong guro. At marami pa pong iba dito po sa 22 kong aklat. Speak Tagalog ang kauna-unahan ko pong aklat na naisulat. Sinulat ko po, Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSED, at ito pong nasa kaliwa. Sa wikang Ingles, Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures, na sinulat ko rin po, Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSED. I would like to thank all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Thank you always for those who are writing wonderful comments and always visiting my videos and writing wonderful comments. First of all, William Charity, I would like to thank you for your good works for the Filipinos who are in need. You give free haircuts and grocery items. You could support him in his channel, William Charity, as well. And so many wonderful subscribers of mine. I am going to look again in the algorithm. Everyone who subscribe in my channel, they are listed in the algorithm. At yung umaalis po, nakalista rin. Kaya alam ko po ang nag-subscribe at yung umalis. In English, I know those who have subscribed and those who left because everything, your name is written in the algorithm. That's why it's so important if you subscribed, you stay subscribed so that you will be updated in my videos. All my 22 books you'll find worldwide at outskirtspress.com is Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSED. My students call me Miss Gutierrez. And Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSEDMSED, speaking to you about the video, is a book that is based on the channeling communications of my fellow New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, Diane Robbins. And she communicates with the nature kingdom beings, the trees, the cetaceans family. That means our sea world fellow divine beings. And Miss Robbins has highly recommended all my 4 books based on based on her channeling communications. Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures is a book based on her communications with our cetaceans family. Hagatri that I have shown you in the previous video is highly recommended by Miss Robbins as well, based on her channeling communications with the nature kingdom beings, the trees. And Smile, Crystal People Love You is another book of mine, highly recommended by Miss Robbins, based on her channeling communications with the crystals. Yes. And Unicorns Make Us Fly, Hobbits Say Life is a Play is another book that is based on the channeling communications of Miss Robbins. She has highly endorsed all my 4 books among my 22 books based on her channeling communications. And she has a beautiful letter inside this book, Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures as well. And in Hagatri and also in Unicorns Make Us Fly, Hobbits Say Life is a Play. And Smile, Crystal People Love You. And Speak Tagalog is my first book among my 22 books that I have published, written and published, because I love the country where I was born, the Philippines, and educated as well. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. For those of you who are asking what BSCD and MSCD means, that is Bachelor of Science in Education. I studied and graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. Thanks be to God and to my beloved parents who worked so hard to make something beautiful. If I could mention, my dad was a USA stenographer, typist here at the USA airport for so many years. And when he retired, he was twice an elected leader. My mom was the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown and a top notcher, as well as my dad. And you will see my mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes. MSCD is Master of Science in Education. I graduated here at Fordham University, here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And you will find all my 22 books at Amazon. Speak Tagalog, available at outskirtspress.com. Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures, available at Ex Libris and all bookstores near you, and at my 2 websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com, and my other website, juanitagutierrez.com. I encourage you to visit my 2 websites. In Tagalog, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na bumisita sa aking 2 website, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com, at ang ikalawa pong website ko, juanitagutierrez.com. Magkita po tayo sa ating sa aking pong websites. Perhaps you are wondering what is this little board, ABC. Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher. This is a gift from my students here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am a New York City school teacher for so many years, and she, my student, is our valedictorian from the Philippines. She was born here in New York City, and I love all my students. They always give me gifts. God bless them. And God bless you as well, all my wonderful subscribers. Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lessons. And today, we are going to study Tagalog phrases. Phrases in Tagalog is parirala. Parirala. First syllable pa, second syllable ri, third syllable ra, fourth syllable la. So you say this parirala. The accent is in the third syllable, parirala. That is phrases in English, or phrase. Phrases is plural, and parirala is phrase, singular, and phrases, plural. It could be the same thing. Now, these are the Tagalog parirala, some of them in English phrases. Kumusta? Kumusta? In English, how are you? How are you? Kumusta? In Tagalog, parirala. This word is taken from Spanish, como está. And because the Philippines was colonized by Spain for more than 350 years, all of our words and even my name, our names, are mostly Spanish. You will notice my name is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. But before the Spain colonized the Philippines, the names of the inhabitants in the Philippines is Tagalog. But when Spanish came, they changed all the names of the inhabitants into Spanish. That's why my name is Spanish. Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. But the original name of the inhabitants before Spain came is Tagalog. For example, my cousin is named Liwayway. That is a Tagalog word that means dawn. The dawning of a new age, Liwayway. And also I have a classmate whose family name is Bituin. In Tagalog, star. So some of the inhabitants in the Philippines still have Tagalog names. And so we continue Tagalog phrases. In Tagalog, parirala, phrase or phrases, singular, plural, it all means the same. Parirala in Tagalog. So, kumusta? In English, how are you? Salamat. Salamat. In English, thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. In English, sorry. Pasensya na. Sorry in English. Ano ang pangalan mo? Question mark. Ano ang pangalan mo? Question mark. That means in English, what is your name? Ano ang pangalan mo? In English, what is your name? Let's review Tagalog phrases or phrase. Phrases is plural. Phrase is singular. It all means the same word. Parirala. Parirala. And some examples, kumusta? Kumusta? In English, how are you? Salamat. Salamat. In English, thank you. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. Pasensya na. In English, sorry. Ano ang pangalan mo? Question mark. In English, what is your name? And so that's our lesson for today, Tagalog phrases, parirala in Tagalog. I hope that you learned something today and see you again in Tagalog. Sana po ay may natutuhan kayo at magkita uli po tayo. Thank you all so very much. See you all once again. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, author, writer of 22 books. Some of them are here, 2 of them. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer. And on the right is Save the Whales, Dolphins, and All Sea Creatures, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. And Merry Christmas and a happiest of New Year 2026 and moving forward to us all. Enjoy.